everyone, I am Bhakti and welcome to the candid conversation with our alumna from JNHMC class of 2015, Dr. Komal Biswas. As we take her on a campus tour, I am sure she will say that ये सब तब कहाँ था जब हम यहाँ थे. Hello, ma'am, welcome back.
Hi.
So the very first question I have for you is, it's been how long that you are here finally?
3 years?
Okay.
It's been 3 years.
Okay.
So fine. So after 3 years, it's like things have changed a lot.
Yeah.
So we'll be having some questions for you, and it will be kind of fun questions, and we'll have some secrets also. Yeah, oozing out from your heart after a long time, right? Okay. So next, I have a question is that everyone wants to know. That's what made you choose Parul University.
So when I was searching for college after 12th, I heard that Parul University was going to be changed into a university properly. So that's why my father insisted on me to go to Parul University, and also my elder sister studied over here. So I knew about Parul way before. So that's why I chose Parul University as the one for me, and I'm so happy.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Okay. So next up we have, what was your favorite hangout spot on the campus? And I'm sure you have had a lot.
Yeah. So the campus is so humongous and amazing that there are many spots, but my favorite spot was the tea post. It's just right beside the gym. So tea post was my favorite. I loved the tea over there and used to hang out a lot. There were a lot of trees at that time, so it used to be very nice and windy.
Nice.
So on that note, do you have any bunk stories or a classic punishment tale that you have?
So bunk stories, I recall bunking used to be a good, it used to be a common thing for everyone. I have a lot of bunk stories obviously, but the most common bunk story used to be, whenever I used to plan the bunking, whenever I or my friend used to plan that we are going to bunk this lecture, today we can't do this lecture, something like that. Whenever we used to get out of the class and walk in the campus, there was always, I used to be caught by our dean. Always that used to be that he is seeing me and I'm seeing him, but I'm still walking ahead. So that used to be very funny, and that used to be very scary also. But once you're out of the class, you can't go back again, and otherwise you'll be red-handed caught. So it was one direction. We didn't used to come back.
And how has being part of Parul University's alumni network benefited you?
So basically, alumni network has benefited me. Right now that I'm coming over here, it has been an honor to again revisit the campus, the upgraded and advanced campus. I am so lucky to have visited this advanced lab and see all the new mannequins over here, and I'm feeling such a FOMO of not being in this batch right now. And other than that, I've come across that Parul is also extending their alumni community to Mumbai and internationally also. So that can really help me build more connections out of the country as well as in Mumbai as well, from where I belong right now.
So what was your go-to meal in the campus canteen?
So go-to meal was chai and puff and sandwich.
Okay, the
Also
bank
cheese
canteen.
Maggie. Yeah,
The
yeah,
bank canteen. Yeah.
And the cheese Maggie from Nescafe.
Okay. So this is something that even today it works out
It
for
was-
everyone,
yeah,
right?
Puff, chai and cheese Maggie.
Yeah.
ओह यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
The last question in the segment we have is, how did your education at Parul University prepared you for your current role?
So basically, the whole curricular that we had in our college was very meticulous. All the lectures were taken timely. So one point is discipline, time, punctuality. All the professors used to encourage us by saying that, you are not understanding the strictness right now, but later on in life you will surely reminisce these values and these things, and surely Parul University has given us that, and it really works for us in our careers now. Discipline, time, punctuality, being focused in your work and task is very important. Meeting your deadlines is very important. So I feel like these are some very core values that university or college can give you, and I have gotten that.
A few minutes later.
So with the modernization that has happened with the campus, the exposure to the celebrities, the people that are coming here on TU Talks, you are getting so much knowledge, you are getting opened up to a plethora of new opportunities to meet such people and to know their stories also, which is great, which I might have missed from my time. I really wish all the students now take that opportunity and enjoy at their fullest, do their studies, but also enjoy at the same time. You can really explore the world out there, and being from Parul University, if you just go outside and tell that you are from here, you are being recognized. Thank you so much for having me here. It was an honor, Parul alumni cell. So, and thank you for giving me such a beautiful interactive session, plus the tour of this amazing advanced lab. I have loved it over here, and see you soon again.
Thank you, ma'am. It was great having you here, and this conversation was, I think, maybe a lively one. So thank you so much. And before we leave, I'll just say that stay tuned for further such videos.